Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic and conversation-starting machines on the road, the 2026 Honda Gold-Wing Tricycle Tiny Home Camper. This is not just a motorcycle upgrade, and it's not just a camper either. It's a bold fusion of touring luxury, three-wheel stability, and compact living, designed for riders who want freedom without giving up comfort. At first glance, the Gold-Wing Trike already commands respect. Honda's legendary touring design is still here, sleek, aerodynamic, and muscular, but now it sits on a wider rear stance with dual wheels that instantly signal confidence and control. Add the tiny home camper module behind it, and the entire setup looks like something pulled straight from a near-future travel documentary. Let's talk about what powers this beast. Under the fairing is Honda's refined 1833cc flat-six engine, updated for 2026 with smoother throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. The engine delivers strong low-end torque, which is exactly what you want when carrying extra weight from the camper. The tricycle configuration completely changes the riding experience. You no longer feel the constant need to balance at low speeds or worry about tipping during tight turns or sudden stops. For long journeys, this is a game changer. You arrive less tired, more relaxed, and more focused on enjoying the ride instead of fighting fatigue. Now let's move to the highlight of this setup, the tiny home camper. Despite its compact size, the interior is surprisingly well thought out. Step inside and you'll find a convertible sleeping area that folds into a seating space during the day. Storage is intelligently placed throughout the camper. Overhead cabinets hold clothes and gear, while under-seat compartments are perfect for tools, food supplies, or camera equipment. One of the most impressive features is the integrated solar panel system on the roof of the camper. During the day, it charges an onboard battery pack that powers LED lighting, USB charging ports, ventilation fans, and the fridge. Inside the cockpit, the Goldwing remains as luxurious as ever. The wide leather seat is heated and ventilated, the handlebars are adjustable, and the windscreen can be raised or lowered electronically. The infotainment system features a large color display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice commands. On the road, the combination of trike and camper feels surprisingly stable. Honda has clearly tuned the suspension to handle the added weight. Fuel efficiency is respectable for something of this size and capability. Honda's engineering ensures that you still get decent mileage, making long-distance touring affordable. And with a large fuel tank, you can ride hundreds of kilometers before needing to refuel, which pairs perfectly with the idea of spontaneous travel and remote camping.